Hi guys, welcome to our next episode of Caribbean Cook. And in this episode, we're going fish and camp. So we're at the bait shop right now. We're gonna get some bait. We're gonna go out there, fish, catch the fish, cook the fish, show you guys the whole adventure, and make sure you click like, share, comment, subscribe. So guys, here we have the bait. My friend coming along with me. So we buy a rod and let's go fishing. I need a rod. Guys, we're entering the mangrove. Come on, let's take a look. Calm down. Where's the cooler? Guys, we're changing location. So we're going to we was in Homestead, now we're going to Key Largo and see if we can catch some more fish. This is the bridge. This is an amazing view. If you come to Florida, you have to check out the Keys. This road takes you all the way to Key West. It's beautiful. Remember to subscribe to see all of the beautiful seas and beaches. First snapper.
You run your pick, I run your pick.
Oh, they're dapper.
You like to be a carrying on. I should have been doing it. What him? What him I take him out? You go to the sea.
You go there?
What? Okay. Fight though. Try to fight, okay? Why you trying to fight though?
What's the big one?
You're a grunt too.
Yeah.
Caribbean cook style, though.
You work too hard.
What day? Don't bite me. Take time.
So this is the catch of the day, guys. A friend, of course, my friend took some, but tomorrow we're gonna clean them up and show you guys the whole process, cook them and stuff. Show you guys the whole process of tuning. Hi guys, welcome to our next episode of Caribbean Cook. And today I'm going to show you guys how to prepare brown stew fish. Here we have the fish that we're going to prepare. I'm going to show you guys how to clean your fish. Here I have some herbal season that I'm going to add to the fish. Here we have some powder season that I'm also going to add to the fish. So stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Easy. Guys, here we have the fish. And I'm going to show you guys how to scale your fish. I do it different, you understand, because I've been using knives to scale my fish since I was a kid. You could buy your scale at the store, it's very cheap. You could just easy brush your fish with your scaler, but I use knife. If you'd like to be fun like me, you just start from the tail, the tip of the tail, and be gently hold the knife like this, and just hold the fish firm. You have to hold the fish firm. And just go down him, hold him firm. You know where you're going, right? You know where you're going, right? You're going towards the head, right? Quick and fast. Go back down to the tail. We're trying to get each and every scale off the fish. You're not trying to cut yourself. So you're gonna hold the fish like this, go under his neck, and just scrape it. When you go to the store, they don't clean it like this, I guarantee. The fried, you see a lot of scale over it. You wanna give him a nice tape up. Is it? Take him out and close, is it? Yeah. Brush off the head. So we turn it over on the other side, and I tackle the head first. I go towards the head first, and I just brush the head. I just hold the knife like this, and I just brush it. Brush it, just give it a nice brush. Brush it so you get all the scale off, right? Go underneath here, right by his fin, and you just brush. You keep brushing. You keep brushing. Right? Go towards the belly. Side. Using the tip, not the point of the knife, but the tip right here. That's it. Yeah. Cut your fish. Just give it, use right here on the knife, which will always be the sharpest part, the back, and just kind of go down there. Then you turn the fish, because you don't want to cut yourself. Turn the fish, push the knife down like this, and you'll go all the way down like this. Make sure you hold the back of the fish like that. You do this, turn it down again, and you like that. I do it like this because I don't want to separate these the ribs too much, because if I cut it and it separate the ribs, when the ribs fry, it's going to kind of separate away from the meat. I want to keep it intact. That's it. Yeah, man. Clean out the fish. One thing, you have to clean your fish properly. Understand? We know what we eat. We don't know what they eat. Well, shrimp, obviously. That's the bait that I was using yesterday. So if you guys want to fish, it's very good. Best if you use live shrimp. You get way more bite. But yesterday we caught a lot of some regular dead shrimp. Okay. And you kind of rinse it out in this water. You get the lime out of this water. Oh, you see that? Best if you use a glove. If you will get hurt. Put it in this water, which is lime water, which I have already creamed. So here we are again, guys. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to season your fish. So what you do, you hold your fish out like that, the head towards away from you. Just pour them like that. That one's a good measures. That's it. This is salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Maggie fish season. Maggie fish season, must have. Salt the fish, just put it up in there. Season him like you season a chicken. And in this pot, that way a little pour, a little open. Salt. Just like that. What we're just gonna do is just gonna take our time. Wait in the pot gently. The pot make sure the pot is hot. To make sure the pot is hot, you could put a piece of pepper or garlic in there. Ease away, back away, away. Okay, that's a nice. That's a nice temperature. That's it. Take your time. I'm gonna keep it high for now, so it doesn't lose its skin, and it's fry firmly. fry for now. So guys, here we have some butter. Here we have the like about a quarter cup of the same oil that I fried the fish in. So I'm gonna add about a little cup of butter. See me? And let it melt. Garlic, the ginger, pimento, thyme, and saute in it, and saute. Some Irish potato, okra, carrot, and pumpkin. You add these first because they're harder to cook than this stuff. You want them to kind of cook first, saute them and cook them first. And turn it down like that. That's about 6. Cover it up. So guys, after about 10 minutes cooking on high fire, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn it down to like about 3, and I'm going to take out the sauce, all of that goodness. That's what I'm going to do. Take it out there. Take it out there, but I'm going to put the fish in the pot. Caribbean cook style. You see me? Lay them in the pot like this. Like this, people. Some like this, some this way. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So guys, this is where we at, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook some ground food with it. I already have it prepared for you guys. I have some water over here. This is like about half gallon of water. I have a lime in it. You understand? That means the stain of the fruit, it'll keep the water stain free. Boom. So we have cassava. These are cassava. Call them cassava. Very nice. A pumpkin. Have you have a pumpkin? Today we're going nature. You understand? We're going straight nature today. We're eating ground food and some fish. You see me? And some dumpling, boiled dumpling. Have you have that? Kim favorite. These are Irish. You see? And this, Kim favorite again. Sweet potato. I scrape it so the redness doesn't come off in the pot. Even though the lime will attack that. And these carrot would be a eyesight. Cassava again. Your favorite again. My personal favorite. Throw in the water. And while the food is cooking, if the Irish cook, take out the Irish out the pot. You know, if you're a carrot cook, take it out the pot while you go. So you always stay in your kitchen every single time. So here we are, people, almost finished. Let's let it go down for a minute or 2. That is brown fish. So you see, Caribbean cook style. Let it swim in all that sauce. That is sauce. Wow. Deliciousness. You see it? Hi guys, the meal is complete. Take a look. It's a brown stew fish with okra. And you have Irish potato on top with some carrot and some pumpkin in it. Wow. Over here we have cassava, 2 dumpling, Irish potato, 2 slice. We have pumpkin, we have sweet potato, this is nice, and we have carrot, good for your eyesight. Here you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys.